welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this cherry color brow to kind of match my hair. And what I use is my MAC Cosmetics Ruby Woo Red lip liner pencil and my Wet n Wild eyeliner pencil. I know, right? Lip liner and eyeliner on your brows. Yes, and it works perfectly. I normally use the Wet n Wild eyeliner pencil on my brow, and it works perfectly. So I'm starting out with the Wet n Wild. I'm lining out my brows, and I'm gonna fill it in a little bit, and then I'm gonna go in with that Ruby Woo, and I'm gonna blend that in there. Yes. Also, if you guys haven't, if you guys are new here, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would appreciate that greatly. And if you're new, drop a comment in the comment section so I know that you're new. Welcome to the gang. Hey. Okay, so now I'm blending that Ruby Woo and the Wet n Wild brown eyeliner pencil together, just to make sure, you know, that fusion is there. And what I did off camera is that I applied some of my eyelash glue over there, the clear eyelash glue, over the top of my the two pencils, the liner pencil, the lip liner pencil, and the eyeliner pencil, and I just brush that through my brow hairs so I get like a flat, the brow hairs lay flat and smooth. Now I'm going in with my, y'all already know what it is, my MAC Cosmetics Pro Longwear concealer, and I'm using the NC45. So if you made it this far into this video, thank you. I appreciate you. You're the bomb. And stay tuned for part 2, because part 2 is going to be on the entire look, the look that you guys saw previously in the preview. So yeah, stay tuned for part 2. It's going to be bomb. It's really simple, and you know, the glitter just add an extra oomph to the look, and it was great. So stay tuned for part 2. Super excited. Now I'm going in with NC50, and I'm going to outline the top of my brows. I really like when my brow pops. It's like, you know, the lines are sharp and nice and smooth. So I kind of go with extremely light concealers. I don't like it being like close to my skin tone, because I feel like you don't see the definition as much. So I go with these lighter colors to create more of a pop. So I'm blending that out with my Real Technique brush, being careful not to go too much into my hairline, because child, I do not want this wig to get messed up. Also, if you guys want to see how I install my wigs video, let me know and I'll be able to make that. Yeah. So basically that is it. I just did one brow, and yeah, you guys see how I achieved that. It's pretty simple, and I just wanted to upload a really simple quick video for you guys. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for part 2. Part 2, I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this look right here, baby. Yes, she's on fire. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and be your best self. Bye.